Santa Fe County District Attorney Mary Carmack Altweiss is asking New Mexico for help in financing several potential prosecutions against actor Alec Baldwin in connection to the incident on the set of the movie Rust. I'm Adam Andrews with InformOverload. Let's talk about it. The district attorney is saying that up to 4 people, including Alec Baldwin, could be facing charges relating to the fatal shooting that took the life of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. The district attorney's office offered up the possibility of these charges in a request to New Mexico state officials asking for additional funding to cover the costs that would be incurred if charges were brought, which would result in several high-profile trials. Carmack Altweiss did make it clear that it was still being decided if charges will be brought, saying in her request, quote, "if charges are brought." So, for those of you in the comments who are going to say the title of this video is misleading, gotcha. But she did say that up to 4 people could be facing said charges, and Baldwin is one of them, with documents filed by her office stating, quote, "one of the possible defendants is well-known movie actor Alec Baldwin." Baldwin's lawyer, in direct communication with the DA's office, was told, quote, that it would be premature for him to discuss the case because they had not yet reviewed the file or deliberated about their charging decision. In terms of charges, Carmack Altweiss told the media she was considering all homicide statutes as well as firearm statutes under the New Mexico Criminal Code. The Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office has been investigating what exactly happened on the film set to cause the passing of Halyna on October 21st last year. Baldwin was practicing drawing an old-fashioned weapon from a shoulder holster. He had been told the weapon did not contain live ammunition, which proved to be untrue when it went off, firing and taking Miss Hutchins' life, as well as injuring Joel Souza, the film's director. So, the DA's office is waiting for the results of the investigation before making a final decision. In a meeting with the New Mexico Board of Finance last week, Ms. Carmack Altweiss said she expected those findings to arrive within days or weeks. Baldwin himself has been maintaining the incident as an accident and that it was not his fault, instead deflecting blame to other crew members like the armorer, who should have checked the weapon was unloaded and functioning properly, as he claims he did not pull the trigger. But as a producer on the film, as well as the one who held the weapon, some think that Baldwin should bear some responsibility here. In her plea for more than $600,000 in emergency funding, of which she received $317,000, the DA told the board her office would need to hire a prosecutor devoted to the case full-time, a special investigator, a public information officer, a paralegal, and several different experts. If charges are indeed placed, it'll go through the same process as any other case, including preliminary hearings to see if there's even enough evidence to proceed forward. But her gung-ho attitude about the whole thing, the urgency, and the emergency funding makes me think it won't be long until we know more. I've been Adam with InformOverload, and see you next time.